HSM series metal and non-metal mixed laser cutting machine. Using a 150-watt CO2 laser tube, this machine is one of the most affordable in terms of multiple functions and multiple-purpose laser cutting equipment. It is able to cut iron, carbon steel, and stainless steel pieces that are 1.5 millimeters thick, and acrylic, wood, and other non-metallic material pieces that are 25 millimeters thick. It is mainly used for producing advertising products. FLC Series Fiber Laser Cutter. This cutter comes with a German Raufen SPI or Chinese Reiko fiber laser source with power options of 300 watts, 500 watts, or 1000 watts. With the use of a ball screw and servo motor system, its cutting accuracy is 0.05 millimeters, and its speed reaches 100 millimeters per minute. ETF Series AutoFeeding Laser Cutting Machine. This machine is equipped with a high-precision feeding platform that automatically corrects deviations, and it can carry out the cutting process while simultaneously being fed materials. By doing so, it saves the time spent on material feeding and improves the working efficiency. ETS Series CCD Camera Laser Cutting Machine. In order to address the needs for cutting specially shaped trademarks and other unique shapes, this cutting machine uses top quality DSP technology and a leading camera positioning image recognition system. This provides users with a complete solution for cutting odd shapes. ETC Series Single Head Laser Cutting Machine and Double Head Laser Cutter. The software design, mechanical construction, electrical properties, and part selection are all chosen to provide a full motion control performance in order to achieve the best laser processing results. This cutter features a uniform cutting effect and is highly efficient, which reduces costs and increases output. FOL Series Fiber Laser Marking Machine. Our laser marking machine uses top fiber lasers and high-speed galvanometer scanning systems. Because of this, it has a stable output power, high beam quality, and a high marking speed, providing an excellent marking effect. It is easy to use this machine, and no consumables are required. This machine is ideal for long-term running with little to no maintenance required. The depreciation cost is also low.